Hey, John here from Web Agents, making a video for you today about ManyChat and where exactly does it fit in with your Facebook page. So, because a question I've received recently is, like if someone posts a comment on my Facebook page, is that where ManyChat comes in? And no, it doesn't. So if someone, for example, here's the Web Agents Facebook page. So if someone comes here and they post a comment, like they post something, or if they leave a comment on one of the posts that we already have on the page, it's not going. ManyChat is not going to reply to that. Okay, it's not. You can't set up keywords and things like that to respond to comments. So where does ManyChat work? So ManyChat works here, right here, when people are sending messages to your page. So someone comes here to your Facebook page and they click on send message, and you can see here the messenger comes up for this page. Now if someone now starts to interact with you through messenger, with your Facebook page's messenger account, that's when ManyChat kicks in. So if you've you can set up your welcome message to appear if it's the first time. You can set that up in ManyChat. You can set up keywords. So if someone types in something like price, for example, let's say they got a question like what's your prices for your services, or the cost for something. It could be what's your location, whatever common questions people have for your business. You can actually set up keywords so so people get answers immediately. So in this case I put price, and it's come up with, hey, Web Agents will take simply replies one day. If you want to ask something, just press talk to the human button. And so that's the response I've got set up right now. But again, I can set up again, if you've got common questions people ask, you can set up automated responses with keywords that trigger those responses. You can set up if people want to know your opening hours and things like that. All right, so hopefully that has helped you to know again where ManyChat actually works within your Facebook page. And if you have any other questions about this, put it in the comments below this video. Or if you have something else about ManyChat or anything about online marketing you want to know, leave a comment below and we'll love to make some more videos for you. Thanks for watching this video.